You need to put your microphone on, Miss. Thank you.
Objection, Your Honor. Improper impeachment. If she's going to ask her question, then she has to show where that was, and then.
I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Do you recall? I'm trying. What?
252A.
Any objection? Any objection, Ms. Frederick? Could you turn your microphone again? I'm sorry.
Objection leading.
Since the defamation trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp commenced, Heard has experienced little support from the majority of the fans, and lately the star's supporters seem to be giving up. But it doesn't stop there. The Aquaman star lawyers have equally expressed frustration, and they might just have also given up on the star. Without judgment, it has become difficult to support the Aquaman star, as her chance of winning the current defamation case has dramatically shrunk. And not only has she lost more fans, but she might lose the ones trying to help her look good, her lawyers. Have Amber's lawyers been pushed to the wall? Will she lose everything? Let's jump right into the video and find out. The details of the defamation trial have not only revealed that the ex-couple's marriage was filled with ugliness, but we've also discovered Amber might not be as truthful as she claims, and her lawyers are tilting towards this notion too. In one of the instances that made the public conclude Amber's lawyers are done, Elaine appeared frustrated and exhausted in court and trusts the internet that the video would go viral, and Bredehoft can be seen saying, I'm trying, as she examined Heard while Depp star attorney Camille Vasquez continued raising objections to most of Bredehoft's questions. Well, who would blame Elaine or any of Amber's lawyers? It's hard to defend someone whose story isn't adding up. Let's analyze ways she might have fooled us again. First, the star allegedly told a lie in relation to her promise of donating her entire divorce settlement to charity. Somehow, the public believes a fraction of Amber Heard's statements regarding the divorce settlement payment to charity lacked truth, and when asked why she was yet to settle the donation, she blamed it on her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. He sued me for $50 million in March 2019 and said she will start once he stops using. However, after she was caught publicly speaking about the donation, which hasn't happened, Heard came under scrutiny. In case you're wondering how the pledge came to be, the initial promise was made while the Aquaman star was still under oath during the 2020 libel case in the UK. However, it appears she lied over the fact and has only given $1.3 million of the $3.5 million promised to her charities of choice. To make matters worse, most of this account was donated by her ex-husband Johnny Depp and Elon Musk. How crazy is that? This would only mean that the actress succeeded in exploiting Depp and Musk and has deceived the public into making us believe the partial fulfillment of the donation came from her. After being caught in the lie, as well as under threat of legal trouble, Heard also released a statement to set the record straight and admitted, I have every intention of keeping all my promises. I would love for him to stop suing me so I can do it. How this is such a big deal is that the Aquaman star declared under oath in 2020 in the United Kingdom that the money was deposited, when this is not the case. Recent news reveals that the ACLU, one of the organizations in charge of receiving this money, has only obtained $1.3 million of the $3.5 million promised. Shockingly, in testimony given by a representative of the ACLU, part of the money was donated by billionaire Elon Musk, with whom Heard had an affair. How is this even a bigger deal? Legal experts have said Amber Heard could face a police probe, which carries a prison sentence of up to 7 years after the Aquaman star admitted not donating $3.5 million from her divorce settlement with Johnny Depp to charity. This would certainly give the actress a dent in her reputation that may follow her for the rest of her career. Yet again, an Australia case is tied to an infamous 2015 incident in which the then couple almost got into trouble after Heard brought their 2 dogs with her when she traveled with Depp as he filmed the 5th installment of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. Heard allegedly said no on her immigration form when asked if she needed to declare any animals. The couple was told in May 2015 that they could either get the dogs out of the country or Aussie officials would put down the pups named Boo and Pistol, since they were not quarantined for 10 days before arriving. While she wasn't convicted of a crime then, the Australian court has reopened the case and she might be facing another court case. Aside from the numerous cases of perjury, the fans can't seem to get over how the actress has shot herself in the leg a million times. In one of the ways she did, she claimed to have used a Milani makeup kit to cover bruises incurred from a fight she allegedly had with Depp back in 2016. However, the makeup brand released a statement that the kit was not realized until 2017. Oopsie! The public was shocked by this revelation, but her lawyer Lane was more shocked and embarrassed, and since then, she and Amber have had more than one hot argument. How then wouldn't she want to give up on Amber? How won't anyone want to give up on her? Also, the actress's confessions don't seem to add up, and neither does her witnesses' testimonies. Her accounts on the majority of the fights she claimed to have had with the Pirates of the Caribbean star either lack coherence or credibility. The dates don't add up. The people involved don't seem to recollect. The evidence provided doesn't make much sense. And there are contradicting statements here and there. Kudos to her lawyers who have endured this frustration for weeks, and we hope they endure till the trial finishes, because truthfully, they are all Amber has. The fans have expressed their disgust for Amber's piles of lies, and this is what they think. Amber Heard is a trauma trigger. My thoughts are with men who have lost custody of their children, are in prison falsely accused, or lost their careers, lives because of liars like Amber. This trial is serious business on so many levels. Hashtag justice for Johnny Depp. Hashtag Amber Heard is a liar, one fan wrote. The moment you calmly made a live courtroom YouTube how to cover up domestic abuse wounds and fix broken noses with ice and movie makeup bruise kits tutorial was the moment we knew you are a liar, AH. Hashtag Amber Heard is a liar. Hashtag Amber Heard is a psychopath. Hashtag Amber Heard is an A user. Hashtag Amber Churd, another user added. While others can't help but pity Amber's lawyers for the distress they may be going through. Elaine's probably had a long and successful career in law, but trying to defend a client with so little evidence, who changes the story, regular levels of lying, and from recent argument, have to endure client bad attitude to her. Then she's doing the best she can under the circumstances, one fan wrote. I actually feel a little bad for her. It must be a nightmare to all of them to have a client like AH, another commented. Fans of the Aquaman actress have also given their thoughts about who the liar is. One fan wrote, when you have a makeup artist testifying that she has to cover bruises before an appearance after a day of other corroborating testimony, it's even harder to say she's making it up. Another fan wrote, Johnny Depp gaslighting Amber Heard publicly in front of the entire world and having his fangirls and PR machine smear her name and making her relive the trauma and abuse is unforgivable. Well, whether or not Team Amber believes Depp is the liar, it's clear whose team is experiencing shrinkage from low support, and we know whose lawyers are on the verge of giving up. However, do you think Amber's lawyers would give up if they had the choice? Or will they fight to the end and show the world their prowess, even if their client is a tough nut to crack? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button if you haven't. See you next time.